Good morning, my dear students. I am extremely happy to meet you all once again for a video presentation like this. In this particular video presentation, we'll discuss some more problems on arithmetic progression meant for class 10 of CBSE. I am planning to add videos for all chapters of class 10 of CBSE. Those who want to have automatic notification about the new videos being uploaded, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. The question goes like this. A sum of 700 is to be used. I'm not going to write the whole question, I'll just explain and I'll do the answer. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. I repeat, there are 700 rupees available for distributing prizes to 7 students of a school for their academic performance, and cash prize is being awarded. Each prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding prize. If that is the case given to you, find the amount of each of the prizes. Okay, let the amounts of each prize be rupees x minus 20, etc. First price is of rupees x. It is 20 rupees less it is given. Therefore, x minus 20, x minus 40, etc. forms an AP. The sequence, if we call it a sequence, I'll use form. If you call it as numbers, I'll write it as form. Doesn't matter. It's only in English. Okay, it's only writing how to write in English. Okay. Let it be. Now, sum of the prices equal to 700. Sum of 7 terms of this sequence is 700, which implies that is given. This is given to you in the question itself. Therefore, this will be 2a plus 6d is equal to 700. Here a is equal to x, d is equal to minus 20. Remember carefully. Okay, here I can cancel this 100. Therefore, this will be, anyway, I can cancel 2 also. A plus 3d is equal to 100. Therefore, a is x. X plus 3 into minus 20 is equal to 100, which implies x equal to 160. Therefore, amounts of each prize would be 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should write 7 such terms of the AP. Let me repeat. Rupees 700 is available to give prizes to 7 students of a school for their academic performance. Cash prize is being awarded. Each prize is rupees 20 less than the previous price. If that is the case given to you, find the amounts of each price. Okay, let the amounts of each price be rupees x minus 20, and so on. X minus 20, x minus 40, it forms an AP. The sequence forms an AP. Total amount available is 700. Therefore, sum of these prices is 700. Therefore, S7 of this AP is 700. Therefore, by formula, 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d is 700. A is x and d is minus 20. Therefore, 7 into 100 is 700. Therefore, I get 100 in the right hand side. Take 2 as common, cancel 2. A plus 3d is 100. X plus 3 into minus 20 is 100. X is 160. Therefore, first price is rupees 160. Second will be, keep on subtracting 20. 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. You can check the total. 4 plus 6, 10, 18, 20, 24, 60. 1, 3, 4, 10, 18, 20, 24, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700. Sum is 700. It's correct. 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 such prices are there. 7 such prices will be there. and Q total is 700. You can check also. You can check those, some of those values is 700. Okay, total amount available is rupees 700. That also you can check anyway. That also you can check. Okay, next. The question goes like this. Okay, in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. That is, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Let me repeat. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school campus to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. That is, class 1 students will plant 1 tree, class 2 students will plant 2 trees, and class 3 students will plant 3 trees, and so on. Therefore, 12th standard will plant 12 trees, and each class has 3 sections. Find the total number of trees being planted. Okay, now total number of trees being planted will be is equal to, there are 3 sections, and of course I should add 1 plus 3 plus 3 up to 12. Okay, there are 3 sections. Therefore, first standard would have planted 3 trees, second will be would have planted 6 trees, and so on. Here this is nothing but Sn of 1, 2, 3, etc. For 3 into S12 of, sorry, S12 of, for this is 12 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 11 into 1. D is also 1 here. This is anyway 6. For 18 into this becomes 13. For this you can calculate. 18 trees are 54, 234. Therefore, 234 trees would have been planted by, on the whole, by those 36 sections in the school. Let me repeat. There are 3 sections in first standard, 3 sections second standard, etc. Therefore, I multiply 3, or it is as equal as 3 plus 6 plus 9 up to 36. That's the meaning. Taking 3 as common, S12 of 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, 3 into 12 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 11 into 1. Okay, 2a plus n minus 1 d is the formula. A is 1 as well as d is 1. Therefore, here it is 18 into 13. Okay, 18 3s are 54. Okay, 18 plus 5, 234. Therefore, totally there are 234 plants being planted on the whole. Okay. Thank you, students, for patient watching.